Finally, Tesla is building out Megachargers for the Tesla Semi at the Gigafactory. Tesla, the world's biggest electric vehicle manufacturer, has announced plans to install Megachargers for its forthcoming Tesla semi-electric truck. The Gigafactory Nevada saw the introduction of the more powerful Superchargers in the second week of October this year. That's all there is to it, and we'll go over it in more depth in today's video. Sawyer Merritt, a fervent Tesla supporter and vocal investor, shared photos on Twitter of what looks to be the first Tesla Megacharger being built in the company's Nevada Gigafactory. Merritt has long been known for having the habit of getting Tesla information from insiders regularly, and his accuracy has been impressive in many instances. If those other times he was right on track, why not this time around? So, to simply put it, Tesla is building its Megachargers for its semi-trucks. But how did Tesla come up with this strategy? While it's no surprise that Tesla is deploying its first Megacharger, it's also no surprise that it'll be situated at the Tesla Gigafactory. It's nonetheless exciting to hear that the project is going ahead. As Tesla strives to develop the electric semi, it's only natural that it'll need the necessary charging infrastructure so that the semi-trucks can be as reliable as it's desired. It's expected that the infrastructure will need to be thoroughly tested as well. But since the installation has already kicked off, it means that only a few tests remain to make the program fully functional. According to Merritt's tweet, Tesla may be testing Tesla semis on the road between Sparks, Nevada and the Tesla Fremont plant, utilizing the forthcoming Megacharger. There's no reason why Tesla couldn't incorporate its planned Austin Gigafactory in the testing process as well. By the way, did you know that this project has been in the plans for a while? Well, this project has been in the works for quite some time, having been announced in 2017. Along since its announcement, Tesla has been carrying out tests and research. The main goal of the research was to ensure that Tesla customers would receive 400 miles of range in 30 minutes, which would be very beneficial to semi-drivers and fleets. According to an unnamed source, Tesla is looking forward to a charging station with a capacity of more than 1 megawatt. This simply means that Tesla anticipates having one of the most extensive supercharger networks, which we refer to as the Megacharger. The project has finally been kicked off after many years of waiting since it was first announced in 2017. The first Tesla Megacharger station was just installed at the Gigafactory Nevada. The newer stalls, unlike the regular supercharger stations, provide greater space for trailer vehicles. This means that simultaneous vehicle charging will be possible. The installation of semi-megachargers in Giga Nevada suggests more than we may think of. The process of installation implies that Tesla's Class 8 truck may be in pre-production in the coming months and may soon hit the markets. You might be wondering when this installation has begun. According to rumors, this construction and installation process might have likely started during the summer period. The charging spots seem to be intended for big cars as well, according to the purported Megacharger webpage, possibly the semi-trucks. The Tesla Semi has been on hold for almost 2 years. However, early this year, reports began to circulate that manufacturing of the electric Class 8 truck would be going ahead. For example, in March, Tesla advertised several semi-truck related job opportunities, which the community took as a hint that manufacturing will begin shortly. Furthermore, an employee at one of Tesla's suppliers said that the EV car maker was working on semi-components in a lab normally reserved for production and prototype parts. The Tesla semi-manufacturing was supposed to begin in 2019. However, it was pushed back to 2020. The epidemic, however, has hit several sectors, including automobiles, and Tesla is no exception. Elon Musk has been outspoken about Tesla's supply chain issues this year. Not only this Tesla semi-truck was affected, but also the Model S Plaid. Its manufacturing was delayed due to supply chain issues, Musk confirmed in an interview. Musk recently discussed how supply chain problems are impacting semi and Cybertruck manufacturing at the 2021 shareholders meeting. He confessed that component supply has been a continuous challenge in that year, and even if they had an additional 5 items, they would not increase their car production since they were already constrained by numerous supply chain constraints. There were a lot of supply chain shortages, so to him, it wouldn't make a difference whether they had the Semi or the Cybertruck or whatever. Given the supply chain difficulties, Musk thinks Tesla semi-manufacturing may begin in 2023. This implies that Tesla may use the next year to prepare and improve the Semi's manufacturing. To be prepared, Tesla has started installing the Megachargers, so that when the semi-trucks come into the market, they will have their special charging spots. Tesla has been submitting charging station designs to Charon, an e-mobility group, for the last 2 years. At the time, the worldwide organization was working on a charging station standard for electric trucks. In addition, 4 additional firms have completed their high-power charging concepts. These are Staubli, ABB, Electrify, and Paxos. Time will tell what more is in store for us Tesla fans, so a little patience will give us more information and everything will be clear. Having reached here, I'd like to wrap it up. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye for now, and we'll see you in the next one.